Hey everyone, I will be demoing how you can use GitHub to build your portfolio using screenshots from your developer instance. Here, I have the loaner vehicle request and inventory application that I've been working on. Once you create a GitHub account, you will go to the dashboard and select New. Under the repository name, you will input the name of your project. Add a description to give more detail on what the project is for. Keep it public. Select README to add a longer description of your project. I leave the last two choices blank because they are for coding. And then you would select Create Repository. Once this repository is created, you should see it on the left side of your screen. To add to the repository, click it and select Add File, then Upload Files. Select the image here and rename if necessary. In the commit changes section, add a short description of what is going on in the image and select commit changes. The changes that you commit will appear here. If you select one, you will see the screenshot, the name that you put under commit changes, and also the short description that you inputted as well. And this is a way for you to document your projects in screenshot form using GitHub.